In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft account on your PC or laptop in just a few easy steps. Whether you're setting up a new computer, trying to access services like Outlook, OneDrive, or the Microsoft Store, or you simply want a single account to manage all Microsoft features, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Chrome browser on your PC or laptop and go to the official website, Microsoft.com. Once the website opens, look at the top of the page and click on the Sign In option. Don't worry if you don't already have an account, just follow along carefully so you don't miss anything important. Next, when Microsoft asks for an email address or phone number, click on the Create One option. From here, choose your email, verify it using the code sent to you, and then continue. You'll now see a page where you need to enter basic details like your country or region and your date of birth. Enter the correct information and click Next. Once you've completed these steps, enter your name, agree to the required options, and complete the human verification puzzle shown on the screen. After that, your Microsoft account will be created successfully. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create and use a Microsoft account on your PC or laptop easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.